Today, a contradictory and deeply troubling picture is emerging around the tragic incident involving a civilian aircraft of Azerbaijan Airlines. This issue goes beyond the investigation of a single aviation disaster. It directly concerns trust in official statements and compliance with international obligations. The decision by the chairman of the investigative committee of the Russian Federation, Alexander Bastrykin, to effectively terminate the criminal case raises serious concerns. The decision sharply contradicts the two key positions at once: the public statements made by Russian President Vladimir Putin and the findings presented by Kazakhstan within the framework of the international investigation. It should be recalled that the President of Russia previously acknowledged a technical failure in the air defense system and emphasized the need of legal assessment at the action of responsible officials as well as the payment of the compensation to the victims. Against this background, attempts to explain the incident solely by uh, adverse weather conditions appear to represent a retreat from the previously stated position. Special attention should also be given to the interim report of the Ministry of Transport of the Republic of Kazakhstan, which is participated in the international investigation. According to this document, foreign metallic fragments were found on the aircraft's fuselage, and the nature of the damage indicates external impact, presumably linked to the damaging elements of warhead. These conclusions are based on the comprehensive trace, ballistic, and explosive technical examinations and do not support the version of the accidental occurrence. Thus, it becomes evident that the position of the investigative committee of the Russian Federation fundamentally differs from both the conclusions of the Kazakhstani authorities and from the statements of the President of the Russian Federation. This creates legal and political uncertainty that is unacceptable in a case where innocent civilians were killed and injured. In this context, members of the board of Azerbaijan National NGO Forum intend to meet with the ambassador of the Russian Federation in Baku in order to directly express their concerns and to discuss the questions raised in the official appeal. Ultimately, we expect only one outcome: the establishment of the truth, the accountability of those responsible, and the triumph of justice in accordance with the international law and universal human values.